Hi, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video since we're not meeting today and kind of show you, just in case you don't know or you haven't been live to our live class yet, and show you what you should be doing every day. So if you are in Google Classroom for Foundations, yours should look something like this. This is the teacher edition, but still. So every week I will post our schedule, and I will also post a copy or a link to the games. Okay, Expedition Literacy is the games, and you need to do 5 games every week. If you click on this, this is what the games, yours might look a little different. This is the teacher one, but I wanted to show you, what I see so that you know what you need to do. So, when I log in, I click on students, student reports. Sorry, my nose really itches. I'm going to click on somebody who is not in the class anymore. He was, but so anyway, this is what it looks like for me. Okay, so Unit 1, you need to do the game for Guatemala, United States, Nepal, Holland, and Kenya. And when you do it, it will tell me your score here, okay? So you are not getting a grade based on your score. I don't care if you get 1 point or 1,000,000 points, all right? I just want you to have tried the game and practiced. So if all these zeros turn into different numbers that show me that you did the game, you will get full points for the week. If there are any zeros, like say it's the end of the week and this is what Angel's done, he will get a 0 out of 5, right? If he did Kenya, then he'll get a 4 out of 5, okay? So each week you need to make sure that you are doing just the unit for that week and each of the 5 games. This shows the medal. If I'll look at this too. As long as you get a medal that shows that you tried or completed the game, you'll get points. Okay. Back to classroom. If you go to classwork, this tab at the top, I know that most of you already did all the work for this week early, but Pick the Fit is usually for Mondays, sentence writing for Tuesdays, Syllable Sleuth for Wednesdays. Thursdays, you don't have homework. You have that night to study. And then Friday is the test and no homework, okay? So it looks like 2 of you have done this and 2 of you need to do this. All the other assignments, it shows me everybody's done it, okay? So it looks like by Friday, you guys, the 2 who haven't done it yet, you need to get Syllable Sleuth done, okay? And let me show you. Let me explain a little bit because I know this one's confusing. So if you remember from Monday, we talked about what a syllable is, and it's basically a beat, right? Sa-tin, 2 syllables. So while you're doing this, it will also be helpful for you to pull up the word list. Now, if you look at number 1, it starts with your. And it's asking you, what is the missing syllable? So let's go to our word list. Look, the word your is the answer, yourself. So self, that second syllable is missing. So then for the answer, you're going to type in the whole word, okay? If you have any more questions about this Syllable Sleuth assignment, please let me know, but everyone needs to get that in by Friday. And then you also need to make sure that you have all 5 games for Expedition Literacy done by Friday. And other than that, let's see, 2 more people need to take the pre-test and send me the picture if you can, but this isn't a big deal. You're not getting grades for the pre-test, but the post-test you are. Okay, and I'm going to have you guys type. I'm going to have to figure out how we're going to do a spelling test that you submit for Friday. But again, this week. We will go live Thursday and review all the words just really quick. And then Friday we'll go live and take the spelling test. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.